Hello, you guys. I come on today because it's time to harvest these potatoes. Even though they haven't died back all the way, but the foliage is died, and I know they've been down since February. So I want to do this bag and see what all I have in here. First, I'm going to cut back the foliage, uh, the leaves and everything, just to see what I have. Let's see what we got in this bag. Got this down to catch my dirt because I'm going to reuse this dirt. Put this all the way back just to see what I have in this bag. I got some on the top. Potato. Let me get my little basket that I got from Dollar Tree. Put my potatoes in. Got one, just a purple potato. Got one potato. And the reason I'm going to go and harvest this because we have a lot of rain coming. And I don't want this to get too wet no more. Beat this out. Let's see what I have. Ooh. You got potatoes? That's another potato. That's a purple potato. Got another one. You got a little baby potato right there. Let's see what I got. Oh, y'all, look. These potatoes are huge. Got a huge potato. This potato is a nice size. Got another one. Got a lot of potatoes in this bag. Look, a nice size potato. That's another one. Let's see what else I have. That's the seed potato right there. It's all mushy. What else I got in here? That's another one. I got quite a few potatoes in this bag. That's another purple potato. Got quite a few purple potatoes. These are red potatoes here. I think I had purple and red in this bag. Oh, I had some yellow ones too. You gonna go? That's another one. Got a little potato there too. I didn't expect to have this many potatoes. It's three. Those are the red potatoes there. Got this little baby one. It's so tiny. Let's see what else I got up in here. Got a little baby one on there. That's the seed potato right there. That was the seed potato. Have another little baby purple potato right there. Yep. Still got more potatoes coming out of here. Got quite a bit of potatoes in this bag. I'm excited about this. That's another one. I got another bag too that I need to harvest. Oh, got some more. That's another potato. Like I got quite a bit of purple potatoes in this bag. It's hot out here, you guys. But I needed to get this done because, like I said, all of the rain is coming. And I didn't want these potatoes to get wet. And while the soil is kind of dry, I want to go and harvest. Yeah. So let me start putting this dirt back into this bag. Because like I said, I will be reusing this dirt. Because I got some more stuff that I need to plant. Make sure I go through all this dirt and make sure I ain't leaving no potatoes. It's not a potato. It's kind of fun going through this bag and you don't know what you're going to expect. This is my first time growing potatoes, and I think I did quite a bit of good job with this. I think I got most of them out of here. I think that's all of them, but let me put this dirt back in here. And I'm going to empty the other bag. I'm excited about the harvest that I got off this first bag. Got a lot of potatoes in there. Bigger than what I expected. I think that's it, you guys, for that bag. Get this up, and I'm gonna go get the other bag and see what is in there. Just gonna push that out the way for a second. Let me get bag number 2. This is my second bag of potatoes. I'll take the top off. I double bagged this. This is another 5-gallon bag. On top, I just cut the bottom out because I didn't have a big bag. So, actually, you can say it was a 10-gallon bag because I took 2 5-gallon bags and made it into one. So, let me cut this bag because see how the foliage is dying. And like I said, I know these been down long enough to come out this bag. So let's see what I got in this bag. For a second. But let me just show you guys what I got out of bag number 1 first. This is what all I got out of bag number 1. And these are some nice sized potatoes. Look how big that potato is. That's a nice sized potato. This is a purple potato. So I got purple, red. I didn't get too many of the white potatoes, but I got quite a bit of the red potatoes here. And this is the biggest purple potato I got. So this was bag number 1. Okay, let's see what I got in this bag. I know the potatoes there. I can feel them right there. Loosen up this soil. Ooh, they just rolling out. That's a red potato. Ooh. I got them rolling everywhere, you guys. That's one. That one just rolled out. These are my red potatoes. I think I planted red and white potatoes in this bag. I think the reason I got so many purple potatoes out that bag because I think I had maybe 2 or 3 purple potatoes in that, and I think I planted like 4 potatoes in each bag. Let's see what. Ooh, that's a white potato. Let's see I got in here. Look like I got many in this one as I do. Oh, I take that back. These are the red potatoes. What else I got in here? That one. Now this is a nice size white potato. That one is big. Got this one too. That one's nice size. A little baby one. No matter how big or how small they are, you still can eat them. That one's small. It's a seed potato right there. Got one hanging on there. That's a little one. I think I feel one right here. That's a little small baby one. That's a nice one. Little one there. See anything else hanging on to here? Yeah. Got that little one. Look like I had some more about to develop right there, but hey, it'll be okay. Let me see all what I have in here. Oh my God, I got many potatoes out this bag than I did the other bag, but I did get quite a bit out of here. Let's make sure I just go through all this dirt. Make sure I'm not leaving anything in here. Oops, see? That's why y'all always got to make sure. The small potato. Oop, it's so small, I'm dropping it. So little. Real small. Yeah, I really think that's it for that bag too. Looks like I got more out of the first bag than I did the second bag, but hey, I got potatoes. I can't complain. Yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Yeah, I think that's it on the potatoes. Yeah, I think that's all of you guys. That was fun. It's almost like buried treasure. You never know what you're gonna get until you get your hand down in the soil. So that's my first year. Well, this is my first year growing potatoes, and I'm so happy with what I got. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little closer to show you what I got. I'm sorry, you guys, my phone went out when I picked it up. But this is the harvest that I got from those 2 bags of potatoes. I think that I had a good harvest off of those potatoes. I know I probably could have let them stay down a little bit longer, but like I said, we have a lot of rain that's gonna start probably tonight on clean on up until next week. And I don't want these potatoes to get too wet because I know they probably will mold. So I decided to go and harvest them today. So this is what I have. Like I said, this is the biggest purple potato, and I think that's a nice size potato. Look at my hand, look at the size of that potato. Got a lot of purple potatoes in here. Got the white potatoes. I got the red potatoes also. I think this is probably the biggest red potato, if I'm not mistaken. But I got a lot of potatoes in there for it to be my first harvest, so I can't be mad at what I have. I think this was a successful potato harvest. This would not be my last time growing potatoes, since I know that I can grow them, and I'm so happy about what I have. Um, so grow you some food, you guys. You never know what you can do until you start trying. My first year gardening, was not a good one, but I did not stop trying. So it's good to try to grow you some type of food, because we have so much going on with food nowadays. So many recalls and everything on food. So when you grow your food, you know where it come from. I tried my best to grow, or not to put any type of pesticides on my garden, and I try to grow all natural garden as much as I can. If I do try to put some on, I do have an all natural bug spray that I would spray on it. So at least you know what your food have on it. Nowadays we don't know what's in our food, so try to grow you some food. Um, I always say in my video, grow your food, eat your food. Like and subscribe to my channel. I was trying to push for 50 subscribers last month on my YouTube channel, but I got up to like 47, so I almost got there. So I'm not going to stop making videos and asking people to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and give me thumbs up. And also, hit the notification bell. Whenever I post the video, you can see what I post. And to then, bye bye, you guys.